The safety crew here, especially in this location where is the current so strong, it's very necessary, and they have to catch us, because it's something will goes wrong, we can be unconscious, we can just sink, and the scuba divers, they are so strong, they really helping us to be safe.
In the safety briefing, we just explained the position of the scuba divers, what they have to do on every dive, and we're also working on how we have to react when there is a bad landing.
It's important to measure the height so that the divers know going into the competition how high they are off the water, because that is the amount of time that they're going to be in the air, so that they can time their dives appropriately and to get that straight up and down entry.
For me, it's very important to look the scuba divers underneath because I feel more secure, I feel protected.
There are things that can go wrong, getting lost in the air, losing your orientation, but the water is always that biggie that you want to watch out for.
You can imagine the impact. It feels like concrete sometimes, even when you do a perfect entry.
We're going to hit the water, and underwater the current is going to drift you 15, 20 meters away, So the scuba divers are following us underwater. They're taking turns, they're making little rounds, to make sure that everybody's safe.
They feel like your guardian angels and your brothers and sisters because they are right there. They're right when you hit the water. They make sure that you're okay. You give them a high five and you go back out. So they're your first and your last point of contact on every dive.